Mm-hmm.
Waiting.
Waiting message.
Done.
Same name.
Shroud. It's called Winnie. Sorry, Winnie. I didn't add Shroud. Fuck. It's just called Winnie V22 question mark 222. Winnie and a bunch of twos and B's.
Fuck, bro.
I'm sorry, I didn't add Shroud. There's Justin. Let's see if
this ridiculous title.
It's just Winnie V22 question mark 22 question mark. Come on.
Mike.
Bro, I don't see this shit anywhere.
What?
Oh, I see it. Wow, that's fucking. Oh my god.
So let's see. So when Miramar loads up, it starts to lag, but apparently if you just wait it out and you go to the plane, it'll fix. So we'll see what happens. We could
What is that password, by the way? What the fuck?
Where the fuck
I don't know. Jeremy?
I don't know why. Oh, here it is.
People are saying put less people. Maybe. Okay, I'll lower the people to like 70.
I joined a team and then you deleted it.
Is everyone on the right team?
Mm-hmm.
Where the
Okay.
fuck
Yeah, we're all on team 1.
Password is Chad is safe. Go. That one team with 2 people is fucked. And I don't even care.
Oh shit.
This shit feels so fast.
Alright, so now we just don't worry about the lag, just wait it out.
Where the fuck I am?
Fuck you, it should have had 2 Ds. People tried with 2 Ds.
You fuck.
Alright, so let's hope this works. Because the setting is instant revive Winchester only. Red zone is going to own. So far, so good. It's going to lag in a sec, probably.
Are you ready, boys?
Oh,
Well, it's not lagging.
it's because it's.
Fuck,
spawned
I'm
us
the
in a
team
different
of
spot,
2.
maybe?
I don't know.
Where the fuck
But it's
I
not
am?
lagging, which is strange. Oh, did it? No. Damn. Maybe it's actually going to start.
Yeah.
Kasaki Coco, thank you for the sub. Cars plus pistols for drive-bys with 5
Does it work?
straight drops. No.
Wham.
No. Damn. Alright. Just never starts. Never on the
70
plane.
people, though. I'm surprised.
Yeah. I'm sorry. It had to be done. This is more... The pace is a little bit better in this game, too. So I made it so it's not super fast. So we're not going to constantly be moving. It's almost like a real game, just a little faster. So we might want to all overlay our drops. I would definitely recommend overlaying. If you guys don't want to, then you're going to have to spectate if you die, which is not fun.
Wait, you said I should overlay?
Yeah. Are you streaming?
No.
Oh.
Oh, fuck, dude. I got over
Alright,
it.
Jeremy, here, throw on this overlay. I'll send
Alright,
it.
yeah. Just submit it to me and I'll FedEx it.
Right.
Rumplemans, thank you for the sub. Thank you, guys. I'm going to start doing this eventually with sub only. I'm just doing this for fun right now. The hard part about doing it for sub only is like... I don't know where I could message just my subs. And I don't want to use Discord because Discord is fucking poopy. Maybe I should just come out with a website, dude. Just fucking Shroud TV. And then all my subs are just linked on that website. And I could like... Everyone that's registered on that site, I could just be like, boom! And those are like the real Deddy Shroud fans, you know? The Deddy Shroud fans on Shroud
I think
TV.
there's like a feature on Twitch now where you can like make rooms, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got over
so
that.
it's for your
It's like
subs
a
only.
chat room.
I see.
What is this in context to?
Giving just subs access?
Oh, yeah. You could also just do like a sub-only message on Twitch.
Where the
Send a
fuck I
message
am?
to all your subs, I guess then.
Okay, I say we go. Yeah, but those take... I've done it before with how many people it has to send
Where
to.
the
It
fuck I
like
am?
delays and lags and
Yeah.
like sometimes half the people get it, the other half don't. It's weird. Let's go.
Where the fuck I am?
What do you mean, let's go? We already jumped. Oh, you're
Where the
trying...
fuck
Oh.
I am?
You want to? Okay.
That is far.
Real far.
We'll never make it.
Where the fuck I am?
Shroud.tv is already registered, I figured.
Where the fuck
Bird
I am?
man.
Damn,
Thank you for
Mike,
the 2
you
months.
can't smile, dude. You gave away the bluff.
I hate you. We already jumped, dude. What do you mean? We got 1, 2, 3.
4. I declare thumb.
So we have 1 team here.
I guess we're thumb wrestling.
He sees us, guys.
Yeah, so the zone's gonna be a little more of a steady pace.
Oh no, there's a guy landing on me. No. In me
Indian.
building. Yeah.
In
Oh god,
me
there's 2
building,
here.
buddy.
I'm running away.
Boys landed.
4 minutes. I don't have a weapon.
Yeah, but first aid kit, I could smack a boy.
I got
What
a
if
Winnie.
there's
Heal
just
him
no
death.
weapons, dude?
I have one.
Oh, you have a Winnie?
Oh, you're cheating.
Yeah,
Better.
and a helmet and a vest.
Oh, must be nice.
Yeah, I landed
Where
away
the
from you
fuck
guys.
Winnie.
I'm over there now.
Yes. There's no level 3s, I don't think. I think I turned it off.
Yeah.
Where
Should
the
have added
fuck
it
I
for
am?
the fuck of it.
Fuck of it, boy.
Is it 1 second revive too?
Yeah.
Where the fuck I am?
Again?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's just so fun, dude. You're down and you're up. You're down? Oh my god, the circle. But luckily, it's a more of a regular pace game, so we can get looted here.
Oh, there's a guy right here.
No gun. Still.
Oh, we should probably be hunting since we have guns. They might not have guns.
Yeah,
There's a
don't
guy-
have
I don't
guns.
have a gun.
I'm
You
coming to
guys
you,
should
Justin.
hunt.
He's hit. No vest.
Oh, guy on me.
Me.
Oh, that's Jeremy.
With no gun.
Me.
Me.
I got him.
Where the fuck I am?
Oh, damn, you're way down there.
Where art thou? Ooh,
Where are the weapons?
found one.
I have it 3x, dude.
Oh.
They should be everywhere. Oh, there's another one. Hell yeah.
What? Mike,
Let's even give it to
Oh,
can I have it? You asshole?
hold on. I'm dealing with the scum here. Come to me.
Teammate I have.
Where the fuck I am?
It's like Fortnite all over again.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Bro, I can't. He's running so fast. It's in that shed over there. I have the
Yeah,
ammo.
I need ammo, yeah.
Just keep running to me. I'll give you it. There he is.
I'm gonna drop it, bro.
Holy fuck, we gotta go so far.
Oh, there's a guy out in the field, northwest. Out in the open. I don't know if that's the guy you're shooting at.
I got him.
Please.
Oh, he's got nothing.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I dropped way too much for you. Oh, there's another one
Oh, I
here.
hit him.
Where the fuck I am?
Hit him again.
Oh, I see that guy.
Chad, there's a
He's
guy coming for
down.
that.
Where the fuck I am?
One more hit. Yeah.
I killed
Oh,
John
man.
Snow.
All right, so
finally.
the whole team's dead.
They're all dead.
I'm gonna go find a car.
Where the fuck
Yeah.
I am?
He's
There's
gonna run
a
up the
there's a
road.
bus over here.
You're a bus.
Ooh.
Got him.
What?
Oh,
Just the one. Ooh. What?
Ooh.
Like what? Okay. All right. We're in the
You have
game,
a gun?
boys. No, we all got guns now.
I got a gun now.
Okay.
I'm toed up, baby.
I was following Mike around for so long, I should have just fucking kept looting.
Where the fuck I am?
Boro HD, because I wanted to kill the guy that wasn't armed.
The guy with no arms.
Yeah. Should we just go out and hunt right now? I think we got okay
Looking for a
loot.
car.
Playing some showdown.
We have a car.
Oh, you have a car? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go hunt.
We got a minute,
I'm hopping in.
and the circle's a little faster, so. End game will move a little quick. Have you got a fourth in the tournament yet? Apparently, we're playing with Josh OG, so it's me, Josh, Justin, Chad. I didn't know. We never had a fourth, so Chad told them that we're playing with Josh, which is fine. We didn't have anybody, so it's not like I had somebody in mind and then it kind of ruined it. It works out. Hello. Oh. It's okay, I'm not driving,
Where the fuck I am?
so you're safe.
Hello.
Dude, she has to drive by us right now.
Oh,
The Hunt Showdown PUBG edition. Don't ever let. Apparently, I should never let you drive, Jeremy. That is
Who
all.
would say that?
I see a bike up here.
Who would say that about me?
Twitch chat.
Stop
It was,
this
Okay.
bitch or
You
what?
just, okay.
What? Oh, the bike? Nah, we'll just roll together.
There
And
she
that zone's
goes.
moving quick. It's coming.
Let's grab this boy though.
How'd we not take damage? What?
I didn't really hit it. Jeremy?
Wait, I'm coming. Sorry. You not shoot your boy? Hello?
I don't have that much ammo. I gotta chill.
I got a lot. I'm just gonna drive too close. Yeah.
Oh my god. Just firing squad on the buildings and shit. Rooftops, Blackhawk down. What time does the tourney start tomorrow? I have no idea. We got a raid in fucking 50 minutes.
I know.
You got what?
We're getting carried through a raid in WoW
Oh,
at
shit.
5.
That's just it.
Oh shit. Okay. Never about to.
Can't you like air an ad whenever you want? So why don't you air an ad while
Why?
it's running and tell subs the password? Because one, when you have Twitch Prime, you don't even have to be subscribed to my channel. Just having Twitch Prime makes it so you have no ads. By the way, so if you haven't linked your fucking Amazon Prime to your Twitch account, you should, because you don't see any ads when you have Twitch Prime. That alone, heroic or mythic, mythic.
I don't know where to go.
We're gonna carry through Mythic WoW. Or Mythic Argus. Or Antorus, whatever the fuck it's called.
You said we want to be center circle, right?
No, this one doesn't center. This is just RNG. I didn't change the circle. I just made it go a little faster, that's all.
Gotcha.
But it's pretty much a regular game of PUBG. With instant
Gotcha.
revives.
Yeah.
Let's fuck a team up, boys.
Fuck yeah, bud.
If you see anyone, let me know.
Fucking winnies.
Hell
Nice, my.
That's not
Well,
me.
it's just-
I would never make a mistake like
I'm
that.
used to this. Look, man. I'm used to this from you.
I would never
not
make
Justin.
a mistake like that.
But
makes
I
a
was going to
mistake
say,
like
I don't
that
think
every
Justin's
day.
a bad driver. You know, he's usually pretty good about it. Now you, on the other hand, Mike.
I'm the best driver, I know. You don't have to say it.
Mike always forces us to make him drive or let him drive, and then he crashes us.
Okay.
No, I just let him drive because it's always just like a big mystery box of what the fuck's gonna happen.
Truth
What do you mean a
being
mystery box?
spoken
It's always
here.
a crash.
Yeah, but like crazy shit happens sometimes, you know?
Fucking backflips. Corkscrews. Oh, left. We got some action, boys. Oh, right here. Oh. Right in this right to the building to the right.
We're here.
Dude, we didn't fucking slam into the building and take damage. We're fine.
I don't know why we didn't get
That
closer.
was a questionable, position to get out though.
There's one right in front of us in this building.
See ya,
Boy,
boy.
it would have hurt us.
Well, he knows what's going on.
Oh, and in the
One's
building to the right.
the
Careful.
building's right.
Hit. Hit down.
Top left window. Top left
Nice.
window of the building.
No, right, yeah.
Oh, and the other side of this fucking.
Yeah, I'm dead as fuck.
Oh, you're fine.
Where the fuck I am?
In the barn.
Yeah, I'm gonna heal forever. I don't care.
In the barn.
Where the fuck I am?
He's my last boost.
I hit him.
Where the fuck I am?
Hit him
Let's
again.
go help Chad. Ow.
Barn guys,
Yeah,
1
let's go.
HP went up.
Oh, 280, 280. Oh, please don't headshot me. Ah.
Oh,
Fall,
God,
fall,
get
fall,
inside,
fall,
Mike.
fall, fall, fall. Remember, instant res. Instant res. Remember that. Nice
Got that
shot. Hit that one far. God damn it.
Where the fuck I am?
Somebody hit one as
Coming
well.
out the top.
I'm gonna try to help Chad instead of those hill guys right
Same,
now.
same.
He's in the window, first floor. And the door. Door's hit.
Where
I'm
the
hit.
fuck I am?
Oh god, I'm healing.
Watching left window.
I'm making a goddamn push.
Where the fuck I am?
Top left.
Ow!
Where the fuck I am?
Where'd you shot from, Mike?
Far. The guys behind us.
Okay.
I'm in the building.
Oh, he's peeking
Oh,
the
he
window.
knows I'm in. He knows I'm in. Ah.
Top left, top left.
Coming.
Where
Coming
the
front
fuck
door.
I am?
What
He's right on the bottom.
the fuck was that? Headshot.
Bottom.
He's dead. He's dead. This team's dead.
Skidoo is dead.
This team's dead.
Oh, you
Good
just
job. Good
fucking
job.
sold
Good
two
job.
off.
Good job.
Good
Good
shit.
job.
I need some ammo.
That took a lot of fucking hits. They could be in the
Oh,
front
guys, got so
row
much,
there,
Mike.
Chad.
Mike,
Oh,
Mike,
can you
Mike,
share
Mike.
some?
Anyone need ammo?
Where the fuck I
God.
am?
I give you even more.
Oh,
No,
top
no,
of
no,
the
I'm
hill,
okay.
So much.
75.
Anyone need ammo?
We're pinched. We're pinched right now.
Hit one.
4 south.
Hit one of the southwest boys.
Yeah, southwest. I hit one of them as well.
Where the fuck I am?
East on top of the rocks.
Oh, he's coming down. Fuck's he doing?
Hit twice.
Down.
Nice. We should try to finish him because of the instant res.
I'm doing it. I'm finishing him.
Yeah, good fucking call.
Where the fuck I am?
He's dead.
Hit him again. He's
Wanna hit
nice.
south again?
Oh, I got. I'm in
South is running. South is running.
Yeah, I'm looking back south now.
There's a lot
Hit him south.
southwest.
Holy fuck.
Hit again?
Hey, a lot. There's 4 of
I
them.
think,
Pretty
yeah.
sure.
Holy fuck, we're owning.
We're still in the circle, so we're okay to keep fighting.
Oh, east is out in the open. He's down.
Where the fuck
Damn.
I am?
That was a nice fucking shot. I'm down.
I'm healing.
Finish him.
Or I mean, reloading. Yeah, I don't know.
Healing. I'm healing my weapon.
Bro, they're all over those hills.
Yeah.
Where the fuck I am?
We're tagging the fuck out of him.
Yeah, what the hell?
Where the fuck I am? Where the fuck I am? Where the fuck I am?
Incoming buggy.
Yep. They're not really driving to us, are they?
Could be those east guys going wide.
Yeah, they might have.
This might get away.
I want to kill
Where
these
the fuck
south
I am?
boys. There's like 4 of them on that hill over there.
If I need to get out,
Where the fuck
this
I
is
am?
my getaway. Is this a new game mode? No, this is just a custom match that I made. Winchester only. Winchester only instant revive.
Oh god, they're all looking at me. South, boys.
Oh my god.
You guys might have angles.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit a shot, dude. It looks like it's like right on him.
I hit a few shots over there, but I'll move over to you, Chad.
I hit one.
Yeah, you hit that one.
It's tough.
I'm gonna try to move with them as well.
Should we just push him?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
should.
Hit one.
They just have like the head glitch bullshit. We should not just sit here and fight that over and over again.
Hit
Okay, you guys are pushing. I'm gonna make a play with my bike.
One's running back, like wide
Yeah,
right from me.
towards the west side, yeah. Making some dangerous plays.
Car?
They're
I
getting
feel
shot
like
in their
Mike's
back.
about to make a dangerous
I think
play.
they're getting shot in their back.
Smell it.
Yeah, I think they're getting shot in the back. Careful, Jeremy, to your right.
Yep, they
Yeah,
are.
yeah, I'm right here.
They're getting shot in their back.
Oh,
Yeah, they're pushed up further.
down one.
It's close to me, Mike. Right on me. Hit.
Killed one. Oh, I got it.
I hit this boy 3 times. I just got down from the left. 150.
Got this guy. Grab me.
Zero right.
Left hit.
2 left, 2 left.
Down
Just
one.
to me, please.
One more.
Insta-res him real
Gotcha.
quick.
I just got
Like-
shot from
You got shot from so far away. Did we kill this team?
Oh, I think they're
No,
265,
no.
265.
No, there's one more at least.
Oh.
No, 2 then, because I think he res his teammate. Yeah, he res his teammate.
Yeah, he probably needs to res them.
Hit in the head.
Pushing towards him. Need meds.
Dead.
Where the fuck I am.
Nice.
Yeah, res him.
He didn't get
Nice.
his teammate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
res him. Bro, we're getting shot from 95 at the truck.
Oh my god, look at those guys west. They're
I'm taking
shooting
shots
us
from
too.
close. I am hurt.
My vest is so fucked.
Yeah, my vest is not, you know,
Yeah,
thing.
it's ruined as well.
We're fucking owning though. Let's
I
go,
don't have any
boys.
meds either. Is there no
I hit
booster?
one 120 standing on the side of the hill.
Extra
Look
what?
on these houses.
Booster? No.
I do, I
if
do.
you
I
come
got
down
you.
to these houses, I got some.
I got you.
God, my frames are just disappearing.
After this painkiller, sorry.
Where are they going?
On
My vest
vacay.
is so
Cancun.
I
Ow!
have no best.
Dude, there
Ow.
are people everywhere.
Ow!
I have 8 durability, 9 durability on my vest.
Yeah, that compound is getting lit.
I think we should go to Chad so we have some cover, building
Yeah,
Yeah,
cover.
that's what I'm thinking. We just kind of take fights from everywhere.
There's a boy in your
Mhm.
compound, opposite
Yeah, because
side.
right now we're gonna get hit
Me?
by so many angles.
Yes, yes, Chad.
Okay.
Why is there
Don't see
7.62? It's just
Was
there's
in
tons
the,
of ammo.
It's
The
everywhere.
fucking fucked up shit, I don't know, directly south from you.
The wood one? Like the fucking
Yep.
stupid looking one?
Oh my goodness. Oh my
This one.
damn. Oh my goodness.
Might have died, I don't know.
This one, right? I'm running to it?
Yep.
No, there's a buggy here. He's probably like in here or something.
You think there's a guy camping in here? I don't think so.
Yeah.
I saw a guy, dude, I'm not even kidding.
Well, there's
He
a
might have
buggy
ran away
pulled
or
up
died.
here. Yeah, there's a buggy
Yep.
pulled up right here.
God, I cannot hit this guy.
We're in the zone
Just
again.
slightly
A minute and we're in the zone still.
hard. Oh, there's that road.
Driving over. Got him?
Nice.
In the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, car's dead. There's guys
Another
behind
team
him.
70 past it, yeah.
Oh, the car's coming at us still. Oh my god.
At 170.
There you go. Nice little fucking spot to
They're
shoot
by the
from.
broken
Bring it
down
back.
car.
You're going there for their loot. Dude, my vest is so fucked.
Nah, I'm just gonna run him over.
He's over there to the left by the broken down car.
Oh shit, there's one on the
He's down,
left still.
he's down.
Oh god,
He's
I'm
down,
getting
he's
right by one.
Yeah, I knocked one by the broken down car. I'm gonna try to run him over.
It's kind of fun. 6 seconds. Everyone's fucking swarming in right now.
Oh god. I'm dead, boys.
No, you're
Oh,
not,
Chad,
Chad. I'm
no.
coming.
Oh my god, my car's on fire.
Oh, another team, 185, close to us.
Okay,
Next
run,
to
run,
Joker.
run, 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 run. Run, Chad.
No fucking
Oh
way.
god, now I gotta cross back over with fucking no
You're
HP,
okay,
nice.
You're okay, just get in the circle and then get out.
Oh, he
my
headshot
God.
me.
Okay, that's good.
Chad,
That's
Chad.
okay, that's actually okay. I'll
You
get
should
you
put
out.
your hand.
Oh my god, dude. I can't believe he didn't fucking shoot the car. That was so lucky. I got headshot out of my truck rather than him blowing it up.
Oh, bro, we need to move out.
We gotta get
They're
out.
pushing. They're pushing.
West,
160.
West, west, close.
165
So
is
many-
pushing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
South,
Take the 160.
Crossing the street right now.
Yeah, they're coming towards us. 215.
Where the fuck
215 over the
Top of the
compound.
hill behind us.
Yeah,
We
the
are
hill.
so
It's okay. We got this, boys. We got
I love
this.
it, boys.
It's like a fucking western movie. He's close, really close. One's hit.
Yeah, yeah. I see him. I see him.
Really hit. Really
Oh, I
hit.
mean,
Close on your right, Justin. Hit once.
I'm
chasing him.
Hit the other one. They're all
Pushing
pushing. Once hit again.
He's down.
Other one's hit again.
Hit one.
Down.
Down him.
I'm taking all the beds. Holy shit.
One's down. One's down.
Oh, I'm fisting his ass.
275, hill.
Yeah, behind. Yeah, yeah,
Field
yeah.
road.
Oh my god,
Dead.
field.
Down, 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 down. To the left of him as well.
And behind us, above.
Remember, on top of the hill north. We're in the circle again.
Come on, finish this fucking guy. Die. Alright, he's dead. Alright, there's a guy 160. There's guys top of the hill as well. I have meds for anybody that needs meds.
I have one left.
I have 4 first aid and 7 boosters.
I had one top of the hill. 5 seconds. They all gotta move on us now. So get ready.
Coming down. One's already coming down from the tree as well.
Hit him,
Hit
coming
him.
down.
Their movement's
This is
insane.
so hard.
This is so hard.
They're all just swinging
Wait,
wide.
rock
far
or
right
what?
is hit. Far right is hit.
Wide
It's
right.
the dead tree. Dead tree. One's moving
Oh,
close.
and one close.
Where the fuck
Hit.
Hit him close.
Double hit.
Rock by the dead tree.
This guy's
Down,
so
down
hurt,
close,
Justin.
down
Nice.
close. Hit it, tree. Dead tree hit. Two in the dead tree.
Rock.
Trying to get down to the dead tree. Fuck.
Rock still.
Dead
Tree's
still.
so hurt.
Hit.
So hurt. Hit again. He
They're
healed.
stuck.
Got him.
They're so fucked.
What about
one
Rock
more?
Boy?
One more's
Rock's
there.
still
One
up.
more's there.
Rock's still
Chat.
up. Oh, there's two at that tree?
Yeah, he's gonna come out. He's stuck. Down.
Rock
One
boy
more.
still.
One more tree.
One more tree.
Down.
Yeah.
Tree. Rock boy.
Okay, they're gonna
Rock.
attack.
Rock boy hit.
Push out to get an angle on Rock boy.
Yeah, push on right.
Hit.
Hit him again.
Nice.
I don't know. All right. 4v1.
160. 160 was the last guy, and he could be close.
Well, I killed 2 guys in that direction.
Oh, you finally got him?
Yeah.
Like down the field guy.
Yeah, that team's dead. It's just one guy. Bro, we just fucking. How many kills does everyone have?
I don't have. I have
One
like
right
no
here.
kills, dude. I
Punching
literally
it,
have
he's
one
punching
kill.
right here.
I've been hitting
Kill
everyone, but
Jeremy.
not getting kills.
Kill this guy. Kill this guy.
I'm gonna punch him out.
Okay. Chad's just gonna hit him.
Holy fuck, we just owned them all. We were just holding those fucking little huts down. That was fun. Oh boy.
That was some good shit.
Yeah, that was
I
kind
was
of fun.
surprised at like how fucking far I was hitting kids with winnies though. It was fucking legit.
Dude, it's got range.
It's
It's
like that
very
one
hard to
game.
see anything.
Yeah, it's hard to see.
I literally didn't get any kills though. Fucking feels bad, dude.
We got 26 frags out of 70 people. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Oh, hell yeah.
Shit. Any other ideas you guys could think of for fun game
Where the
modes?
fuck I am.
I don't know.
Do you use any compatibility settings for your application? No. Goddamn Almo in this bitch. Tyler, thank you for the $5. Tree, thank you for the 5. Shroud's not following the double Winnie meta. I had a both.
Where the fuck I am.
People want to see zombies? What? Crate only. What? Well, you could do that because you could make the crate spawn rate very, very high, but it's just you might just get fucked, you know?
The fuck?
That would
Shroud's
just be
like
car
one of my
only,
best friends.
Yeah, it'd pretty much just be car only at that point. What else?
Where the
Crate
fuck
only
I
doesn't really
am.
work.
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
Shotgun
Where the
only.
fuck I am.
Jesus. Jesus.
What the fuck? Shroud's
Time to go
like
check the
one of my
Fortnite
best
item shop
friends.
here.
Weak.
Oh, fuck, I didn't check it.
Checking it right now,
Shit.
baby. Oh, you guys didn't get yesterday's? They
Where
weren't
the
that
fuck
great.
I am.
No.
Snazzy, thank you for the
They were
sub.
pretty meh.
Cry TV, thank you for the sub.
Where the fuck I am.
Fog cars only crates. Alright.
Where the fuck
I got
am.
something that we'll try. This is gonna be terrible.
Where the fuck I am.
This is about to be fucking stupid.
Can you make fog?
Yeah,
Is that?
that's what I was about to do.
Okay. Yeah, fog, maybe crossbow. That actually might be sick.